Now that we have loaded the operating system in the main memory, let's talk about it. An operating system again is a collection of applications that perform various functions. The most important of these are providing a user interface for the user to interact with the hardware, performing the initial startup of the computer, commonly known as booting, providing platform for the application software to run.
What are the parts of this operating system, Baba?
Good question, Vidya. The operating system has the following basic parts.
Bootstrap Loader. It is a short program used to load the operating system in the memory. It is usually stored in a ROM or EPROM,
Loaded into the memory of the computer to initialize the booting process. Shell, which is the first and outermost layer of the operating system, through which the user accesses the services of the operating system. Kernel, which controls the basic and first level of interactions between the applications and the hardware through input commands and output responses. File system. This manages the storage, retrieval, and organization of all data input and produced in the computer system. User interface, which allows the user to issue commands to the computer and perform the desired functions. Let's talk a little more about user interface. Do you know how can we issue commands to a computer system?
I do have a computer at home, and all I do is use my mouse to select, copy, paste, etc. and type with my keyboard to write.
Images and icons are actually termed as graphics, and since you are taking help of these graphics to interact with the computer, we call this system or application of interaction as Graphical User Interface or GUI. Every visual that you see through your computer's monitor is a part of the graphical user interface. Window, drop-down menus, cursors, pointers, etc. are all its components.
Then the screen that appears after my computer has been booted a part of the GUI.
Correct. This is the first screen on which you can see many folders and application icons. You can also see the mouse pointer, which helps you select these icons. There is a specific name for this screen. It is called the desktop.